Hello, this is Keith from British Isles Productions, welcoming you to another random unboxing video. Another little gift idea is a few people have asked me about my wallet, this is the ESR MagSafe wallet, and I went for this a while back now, and I went for it over the official Apple wallet because first of all it was way cheaper. I think this retails at about 35 quid, but B, it had a load more functionality to it as well. So not only is it a MagSafe attached wallet that can hold up to 4 normal credit cards, you can just access them very easily, but it also has other features. So it's got this little loop here, so you can kind of use it like a almost like a pop socket or something if you wanted to, if you were holding the phone somewhere where you know there was danger of dropping it. It also works as a kickstand. It's probably easier if I show you on the phone. So here's my phone. It magnetizes to the back and it's a very strong wallet, but it's also a adjustable kickstand to it, so you can you know, really vary the angle to whatever suits. As I said, you've also got this finger loop here that you can you know, hold the phone and use that as well as an option. You can also put this in landscape mode as well, sort of like a floating landscape mode there. So that's very convenient as well. So it's got all of that. As I said, I've put a band around this. This didn't come with that, to put money in, or if you've got an additional card, like you're staying at a hotel and you've got a key card or something, you can clip it in there. You can use it as a money clip, or you can clip other stuff, which is useful. But the piece de la resistance, which I haven't mentioned, is the other thing that makes this wallet unique, is it has a Find My feature built into it. So it does have a proprietary cable which is magnetic and fits here, but once you've charged it, you only need to sort of charge it every 3 to 4 months. So it's got quite a long charge on it, but you know, the benefit there is if your phone and wallet are separated for any reason, you can trace your wallet using the Find My feature, Apple Find My. It is fully supported by that, so you know, much less chance of losing it. As I said, you've got easy access wallet. I'm not going to pull all my cards out, but I've got four cards in there, a couple of credit cards, a bank card, and my driver's license ID, which is always handy to have. And as I said, it just lives on the back of that. Obviously, if the phone has a case on it as well, providing it's MagSafe compatible, that'll work. But as I said, it gives you some stand options as well. So I just thought I would point that out as well. But hope you found that useful. As I said, that's the ESR wallet. It's also available, this is of course black, but you can also get it in a brown tan color as well. So yeah, if you found that interesting, please do go ahead and share it, and if you've got any questions, let me know. Okay, bye for now.